Well, folks, I am in a bit of a pickle. I'm taking my 2 younger boys out to go camping, and we just got a super sloppy springtime snowfall. And as we were coming up the road, there was a couple from Georgia, and they were stuck in the road here, and we helped get them out. But then when I moved my truck and trailer over so that they could get past on their way out, I slid into the ditch myself. So all of this mess is me and the boys trying to get out, but we finally got the truck out. But I had to unhook the trailer, and it's been a really mild winter, and I got complacent and I don't have any tow straps with me, so I'm using some ratchet straps to try and pull our trailer back up on the road. Do you think it's gonna work, Wyatt? Maybe. If it breaks the strap, we got a few more, but we'll see how it goes.
Daddy, he's stuck in
You got it straightened out. That's a start. We finally made it up here. It's already turning into night. We had to help some folks from down south get unstuck, and then I got myself stuck because I got complacent. So we wasted a few hours on that, and we're finally here at the trailhead. Got the sled loaded up, and Wyatt's already asleep. Are you already asleep, Wyatt? It's just above freezing, probably about 35 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is, and it just finished raining. It's been raining for a while. This is the ideal conditions for hypothermia. So I didn't bring a tent, and I forgot a tarp. We were hoping to build a new shelter, but I think we're gonna go to a shelter that we previously built, and then we'll just add on to it. But come along with us. We should have a good time. Hopefully we don't get more rain. Although we'll see. It may or may not rain on us tonight, but if it does, we'll just make the fire bigger. Started smelling smoke. Ah, this poor old machine. Leaking oil. Not sure if we punched a... It's not coming out of the oiler or the carburetor. That might be... Well, I don't know if it's shank case oil or what, but I know I don't want to be stranded up a trail with my 2 boys, so we're going to try and make it back to the truck. our little adventure didn't last very long, but hopefully we can make it back to the truck before it blows up. That was super disappointing. Old Faithful, that's a 2003 Tundra 2R, which is an amazing snow machine for getting out and doing things. They're simple, they're reliable, but tried to blow up on us. There's oil all over in the cowling, or underneath the cowling there. I don't know. It's just sitting in the bottom of the tub right around the exhaust. I'm not sure even where it's coming from, but I do know I'd rather work on it at home rather than in the field on a camping trip. So we just turned around and made it back to the truck. Boys, if we can't go on a snow machine camping trip, what are we gonna do instead?
Leslie's gonna do a lot of fun things.
Do a whole lot of fun things. What do you want to do, William?
I want to wait for next time.
For next time? You building a snowman?
Yeah.
All right, I guess
We don't have any kids.
we'll build a snowman before we leave.
Dun, dun, dun. Ah! Ooh.
I broke it.
Nico. Hey. Hey.
Sew him up. Quick, get him to the hospital.
You're breaking. Oh.
Wyatt, we're at the snowman hospital. I can't help you, Wyatt. What's the snowman's name? Is this Fred?
Kari.
Kari? Kari, hang in there. We'll patch you up. Snoopy. All right, tell us about, what's his name?
Snoopy.
Snoopy.
Snoopy the snowman. And he's not.
Our camping trip fell apart, so we made a snowman. I think everybody that came up here would say, whoa, look at that snowman.
Why, I'm getting on the couch. Snoopy and I are buddies.
Hey, he's tougher than I thought. Yeehaw! Oh, he lost an eyebrow. What, should we tackle him or let him live?
No. Let's see if he go here then he can.
Yeah. All right, time to go. Say goodbye, Snoopy. Ah! Wyatt, he got me. He got me. I've been attacked by a lip hanger.
I believe this is the first camping trip with my family that I've had to abandon early. My boys and I were pretty bummed out, but being safe is more important than making a YouTube video. It turns out that it actually was the oiler that was leaking. The old Tundra will be back in service for our adventures next winter. I guess the moral of the story is that if everything in your life is going wrong, build a snowman. Join me next week as my oldest son and I take kayaks down an Alaskan river that hasn't decided if it's springtime or not. We get soaking wet and cold, but we have a great time as we float the river, build somewhere to sleep, and cook some delicious food. Until then, be good if you can and careful if you can't.